Just arrived here at Westdrift, autograph collection, Marriott Bonvoy, checking out the room. Just gonna give you a quick room tour. A nice bathroom here and shower. Some nice additional amenities on the side that includes cotton balls, bar soap. You don't always see a bar of soap, so that's nice. Some extra toilet paper there, towel, washcloth, mirror. This is a double room. They have a nice full mirror, a little area for your luggage or to sit. Nice bed here, beach vibes, even with just the lighting and fixtures. A nice chair. The view is just of a parking lot, but I'll show you in a second. Some nice amenities here. It's safe. And there is a refrigerator as well. They tell you who is attending to your room. And show you the nice refrigerator there. Another nice picture giving beach vibes and the view. All right, like and subscribe.